Baybayan. No. Rebound goes to Porter. Donochea. That's a tough finish. Galing kay Donochea.
That's all trust.
Tied
Levy.
Fast break of the game brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. 5 assists na si Jexter Apinan.
Yung makeable shots nila, nag-doubt na sila.
Oh, great move. Galing kay CJ Isit. Sidestepping his way inside for the 2 points. Naiwasan ng depensa. Quickly using his 2 steps. And Yambing for his 10th point. Missed his first 2 as CJ Isit.
Great move there by CJ Isit.
Stepping up para dito sa Rum Masters. Watch this play galing kay CJ Isit. Using that fake. De La Vergen gives it up to Apinan. MJ, drop pass to Valoria. Using some English there. 3-point advantage para sa Quezon City. Bienes. Paeng. Nice pass to Yambing. Basket and one.
Yeah, that elevation of that cut, weak side cut, okay, to finish. Para kay William Bing.
Play of the game is brought to you by Buenas. De La Vergen gets it to Apinan. Drives left. Jexter beats Ballesteros to the spot. Here's Apinan on the drive. Alanganin na mag-challenge si Ting Link sa kanilang laro. Quezon City. Yambing fires. Yes! Basket plus the foul. A possible 4-point play para kay Will Yambing.
Marami na nanalangin sa'yo, mas magagaling ka eh.
Kahit kalaban daw.
Kahit kalaban eh.
But that is clear as day ang foul on Valoria. Corner 3. Oh! A twist in the tail. Jong Valoria with a possible 4-point play. They are so potent. They can explode at any moment. Levy Hernandez with a 3-pointer. 3-point lead for Quezon City. Watch out for the 3-pointer para dito sa Batangas. MJ for 3. Yes! 5.5 seconds remaining. Are goes down on that pick, and MJ De La Vergen straight and through with that three-pointer to tie the game. That was a good 6 feet from the line.
Rebound Mabula. That's number 6 for him. Hesed, nice lob to JR Kaasi. Play of the game brought to you by Buenas. Hesed Gabo. And alley-oop to the star of University of Luzon, a homegrown of Pangasinan in JR Kaasi.
Yeah, and Hesed Gabo understands you got to reward the running big man.
Robbie onto Carlo. Lastimosa will drive. He loves that.
Ooh, wow!
JR Kaasi with a rejection. On the other end, Japs Bautista goes all the way. 10 seconds to go.
Not just the basket, it's how you stop that attack. Look at here. Carlo drives. Oh, right there. JR Kaasi says, no, not this time. But then again, they run the other way, and Japs, the veteran that he is, navigates inside and finds that hoop.
They trim the lead down to 5 points. Very manageable for the Pangasinan Heatwaves, who are looking for their second home win in franchise history. Impayan onto Pido.
Oh, that was tight.
Impayan now driving. Sidestep. Basket and one.
Oh, barely getting that ball to go through the rim.
This play of the game is brought to you by Buenas. That's a power forward going coast to coast. And then, andun ang awa.
Ayas 22 in the first half. Giolingo able to cross half court. Comia will fly and will finish. Kontrolado.
Kontrolado eh, oo eh.
It's just nice to see players, right-handed players, finishing with the left. Parang ang ganda eh. Ganda panoorin eh. Atake si Comia, blocked up top. By Cancino, steal. Imperial has it. Shaq, yes! And the bucket and the foul.
Yeah, touchdown pass there coming from Mark Nonoy.
Guys, come on. There's more, you know, may leadership qualities tayo nakikita ngayon from Shaq Imperial.
Parang pakiramdam mo malapit na yung lamang nitong Negros eh, pero malaki pa rin ito eh.
Oh, but the problem is they've been missing a lot of shots and make a ball and talk about putting out the fire. Hubert Cani, pamatay sunog ang tres na yon to end the third quarter, 58-47. But right here, Cani.
Oo. Yeah, si Imperial and Jeff Comia.
Oh, but the contact there was between Longa and Cancino. Here's Mark Katabay. Nagcut si Comia. Left-handed scoop. The bang and the bucket para dito kay Jeff Comia.
Oo, alam mo, working already. Itong si Jeff Comia. And in this game, 10 points already with plus 8 rebounds.
Could not get the bounce. He's 0 for 3. Concepcion to Igilos.
Yeah, imagine yung effort na binibigay right now nung 5 nitong Pasay. Because that's what Pampanga does. They gonna tire you out, Sidel.
Last break of the game is brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. Baltasar with a rebound. Garcia directing traffic. Baltasar, lob pass. Blocked by Coronel. Patrick Sleet, first time in the ball game. It's very rare that you see
No.
Justin Baltasar getting blocked, but that was on the help side. Bonifacio. Oh, Sleet, what a move! Check out this move from Patrick Sleet. Spin, gather in the spin. And the finish right there, 2 points. And he's got 4 in the ball game. First quarter. Miggy. Kurt. Wants a clear out. Rayson. Three-pointer. Yes. Sleet has to fire. Air ball. Viernes has time. Binigay kay Concepcion. Yes.
At the buzzer, kay Day thought that time expired already.
Oo, ang tagal nag-ano eh. Sa tagal gumalaw, bago gumalaw.
Let's try to check the replay here.
Yeah, obviously, that will count for Archie Concepcion. MJ short. Ang tapik na punta kay Inigo. Ahead to Sleet. Sleet will fly and put it in for 2. Fast break of the game brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. Patrick Sleet, that elegant finish up there. Period. Sleet. Strip. Agawan sa bola. Rayson has it. Ahead to Gozum. Corteza. Baltasar!
Great setup there by Miggy Corteza. Ang ganda nung pass back sa Delph.
Here it is. You can hear the crowd roaring after this dunk by Justin Baltasar. The Giant Lanterns up by 4.
Yung mother team niya. For Pasay.
That's a steal. Victoria back to Coronel. Layup, yes.
Yeah, got away.
60-56. What a game. Balti asking for it, yes.
Yeah, great high-low play there.
Concepcion will fire. The crowd loving it. Justin Baltazar off a Jamo Igilos feed. And another three-pointer. Galing kay Archie Concepcion. Concepcion, short stab, no go. Everente gets it to Victoria. Lawrence, layup, yes! 3-point game. And this was the finish from Lawrence Victoria, 14 points in the ball game. And Abundo. There, Mark gets it. Abundo gets it back. Got the step. Inside they go. Will Gozum. Ganda ng mga finishes ni Will Gozum sa ilalim. Was able to manufacture a good look there. Opiso, inside nice. They go. Saitanan, basket +1.
Primary break, forward pass by Lagrama eventually led to Opiso on the other side, and that high-low.
Gravera has it. And great pass to Mayor Mark. Too strong. Alcala, nice fake. Layup, basket and 1.
He knows the open spot. This one off the offensive rebound instead of...
Thomas Torres with the rebound. Rodel Gravera, watch out! Oh! Rodel Gravera!
Highlight!
Makaulit tayo. Tingnan natin yung nangyari dito. Rodel Gravera.
Highlight.
Yes, stuffs it home. Tiningnan pa yung depensa eh. Ano, cha-challenge ba to? But no way. Rodel Gravera. Wala talaga.
Si Salonga nangunguna, sabi sa'yo eh. Matalino tong batang to.
Nice pass.
Hindi man niya nakuha yung puntos, pero dahil nauna siya, makukuha niya yung assist.
Well, Valenzuela was lucky that shot didn't go in. Had a good line.
Oh
man.
Nobody inside. Nobody home for Bulacan and Andre Arbenyon.
Magal ang ball rotation para dito sa Bulacan Cuyas with that zone. I mean, they keep staying just on one side because, you know, they don't have enough shooters that can actually locate right now.
Montero goes to the baseline. Reverse layup is good para kay Joshua Montero. This is the play of the game brought to you by Buenas, and why not Mr. Montero? Look at that. Aside from the difficult angle, it's also the defense that was challenging him on the shot. Kinyan was there giving chase. Also Payawa going for the block.
Actually, may gumagawa rin yan sa side ng Bulacan eh. Kaya lang si Paulo Hubalde din.
And he turns it over here. Hubalde looks tired. Manliguez will sky and score!
Flex it over.
Between the legs. At may oras pa para magtimpla ng kape sa ere. Daryl Manliguez. What a sequence coming from Valenzuela's starting point guard. Take a look at that again. Poetry in motion.
It is what it is. We just called the games. Here's Philip Manalang, who looks okay. Nice bounce pass to Oduba with a hang time move.
Here, this was the rescreen. Now, defense is forced to go up top. It forces the rotation, and what an impressive finish.
Sarao inside. JP Sarao with a strong finish. Sarao. Villanueva able to secure the ball. Naagaw ni Marcelino, and he lays it in for 2.
He just saw his teammate na si Manalang.
Marcelino anticipating the pass. Gets the 2 points.
Continues and will close out the quarter with this 2-3 zone.
Marcelino inside. Publico scores! That occasion, and this time Marcelino playing decoy and finding Ray Publico for the 2 points. And we are back. All know that Jello Razon's deadly from beyond the arc. Look at this pass! Galing kay Philip Manalang! What a delivery! Brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. And that was the beautiful dish galing kay Philip Manalang, alam niya eh. Alam niya na doon na talaga ibibigay ang bola. And Sarao against Gabayni. Oh, what a move. What a move. What a move.
Masterpiece. Spin, fake, spin, up and under.
That's a Buenas play of the game. JP Sarao.
Right there. This is good defense.
Strong, nakuha ni Galliano ang bola. Sarao, that early run.
What a catch.
Sarao!
Getting into the fourth quarter, isa lang masasabi ko dito. Kondisyon. This was a tough basket, even a harder pass to catch, but he had to, again, to score. The dribble pull-up might work for him in the fourth.
Great tap by Galliano, blocked by Marcelino. Met him up top. And 5 now with Marcelino. JC, nice move, spin, and the right-handed finish. Stop the fast break. Great spin move galing kay Galliano.
Marcelino reading the reaction of the defense on the switch, and he immediately attacks the mismatch. Blocked by Mahari on Sarao.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
What a shot.
The first and original online basketball ending.
This one, crossover between, stop on a dime, double clutch in midair, bottom.
He rattles that one in. Subido. Back out to Marcelino. 10 seconds to shot clock. Pido playing him. And the basket is good para kay JC Marcelino.
Which Marcelino has shown time and time again. Credit
Pido.
Gabayni.
And Gabayni also.
Yeah, credit Gabayni.